It is New Year's Eve, and we are back at Lohberg Lake doing some fishing. It's 17 degrees out. That's a little windy, so it's a little cold out, but we're ice fishing again, trying it out. And this time I've got Emma with me, and Charlie's complaining about being cold. Emma says she's cold too, but she won't get back in the warm tent. So I'm trying out my new pop-up that my son got me for Christmas. Got both Emma and Charlie in the tent with me. It's nice and warm, and they're both freezing and they want to go home already. And I haven't even got my pole in the water yet. Now take your foot off the brake. Now give us some gas. Not that much gas. Go forward a little bit. Not so much gas, a little bit. Keep going. Charlie's driving. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. You're getting a little rough there. Charles, stop! You not hear me tell you it's enough? You make me walk all this way. All right, so you don't give us so much gas at a time. All right, so we didn't catch anything. We had a couple of bites.
The bobber was underneath the water one time.
And so I did let, as you see from the video, I did let Charlie drive across the lake a little bit. Then I finally hopped on the side of the Suburban and let him drive the rest of the way around the lake. And then I had to experience the kids to some donuts. So they were having fun, but scared at the same time.
I wasn't scared. It was fun.
It was fun?
Yeah.
Are you buckled up?
Yeah.
All right. So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.